Hey YouTube, welcome to another one of my videos. Well, as you can see here, this is my latest puzzle box creation. Probably took me a bit longer than usual for building this one. Maybe because it has some fake pull tabs, such as this one. It doesn't come out no matter what you do to the box. It will never come out unless you take it apart. But then that one and that one also are like that. But yeah, so let's get to solving this thing. Well, the first step, you can't pull those out. Oh yeah, that's right. You gotta get this. Which I probably should have done something such as a handle here to pull that out. And I just realized this is your key, and you can just take that right out, and then boom, the box is solved without doing anything. Whoops. So I'll have to make a better version of this thing, because apparently I didn't put too much thinking into that stuff. So once I get this secured and this with the handle, I will come back to you guys. Okay, so I fixed those things, and now this should be better. My camera's kind of touchy right now. So as you can see here, I put a handle there, but wait, where'd that go? Well, this is your first step here. Pull this out. You've got a little Technic piece that you have to pull out. Spin this around to this side. You pull this out, and you pull these two pieces out there, like that. Then you remove this entire piece, and this is your key to open the drawer. Go back here, push it in, boom, done. And there's your drawer. With nothing in it, as usual. So, yeah. I'm gonna reset this. Okay. So that is my latest puzzle box. Yeah, so because I have some that actually move and some that are fixed in place, it kind of tricks people with like, wait, this doesn't move at all. Oh, come on, that's mean. But hey, it's a puzzle box. It's supposed to be tricky. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, as always, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, so that way you know whenever I get new stuff out. And also leave comments in the comment section for videos you would like me to do, or just comments on my video on how I could improve it, or what you thought was good and what you think I should include in the next video. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.